Welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve 5 minus 2 bracket 5 minus 2 into 2. 5 minus 2 bracket 5 minus 2 into 2. So the solution is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 and 2 as it is. 3 into 3, 9 into 2 is equal to 18. It's a wrong answer. This is not actual solution. The solution is we will rule apply PEMDAS. 5 minus 2 bracket 5 minus 2 into 2. The actual solution is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 2 as it is. We will apply left to right rule. So we can multiply 5 as it is. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 as it is. 6 into 2 according to PEMDAS rule. 5 minus 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So 5 minus 12 is equal to minus 7. So the actual answer is minus 7.